The Adventure of Dr. Cat. Dr. Cat by nature is compassionate and likes to see her kitten healthy. She seemed patient and hopeful. She always said to herself that with God, everything will be alright. Dr. Cat likes the public transportation, such as the city bus. She loves public rides and enjoys the Miami adventure. Did you know that Dr. Cat likes to read spiritual books? That's right. She always reflects on her mission and believes in the impossible. What a super cat. You know, Dr. Cat never gets bored. She realizes that walking on a sunny day can heal her mood. She keeps her head up at all times. Finally, Dr. Cat is the miracle of your life whenever life throws you down.